Hello friends, welcome back again. The next category of disk scheduling algorithm we are having is C-look. Now C-look stands for circular look. So first of all, C-look is the improved version of the look algorithm. Now what is the working of the C-look? So the read-write head is going to start its journey from the first request at one end of the disk and moves toward the last request. So as we have seen that both the points, like we are having the last point on the number line as well as the last request in the request queue. So in the case of look also, we were covering the last request in the request queue rather than covering the last point on the number line. So the same look is also going to do. The difference is when the read write head is going to change its direction, means that when it is going to will start its journey towards the smaller side request, it is not going to do the service of any of the requests in between. Means that let us understand the concept through the numerical only. So the example is same as we have taken in the case of loop, that consider the disk queue with the request for input output to the number of blocks on cylinders. So one request queue is given to us with some multiple requests, that is 98, 183 in the order only it is given to us. Then see look algorithm we are going to follow. Plus it is always given to us the read write head is initially at the cylinder number 53. So it is always given to us what is the initial position of the head. Then another parameter to note down is whether the larger cylinder values are given to us or the smaller larger cylinder numbers are given to us. So it will be given in the question only that it is going to move toward the larger cylinder side. It means that whenever we are going to start our journey, we will be moving toward the larger numbers only. So the next point they are mentioning over here is the cylinders are numbered from 0 to 199. So on that number line, we are going to label our number line points from 0 to 199. So next is again we are going to calculate the total number of head movements. So let us see the numerical now. So again the number line is the straight number line is given to us with some multiple requests. So from 0 to 199 the cylinder numbers are there, and one by one we will start servicing the request from the request queue. So we will be starting from the 53 as it is our initial point. So which is the next larger request, because larger it is given in the question, which is the next larger request in the request queue, we are having 65, and after 65 next larger request we are having is of 67, then we are having 98, so on up to 183. So like we were following the look algorithm, we are not going to cover the last cylinder number because it is not in the request queue. So we will again not cover the last cylinder number. So we will be covering up to last request in the request queue. So then the read write head is going to change its direction. While changing its direction, it is not going to do service of any of the request. See, there is no point in between coming over here. So it means that it represents that we are not doing service of any of the this track number. Then after that, we are reaching at our again the smaller value request. The last request is of 40. So we will again check, is there any request which is left now? So if it is left, again we will be moving toward the larger value than whatever the next initial position we are having. So after 14, we will be covering the next request of 41. So like this, it is going to work. So then again, how we are going to calculate the total number of head movements? So the head movements will be calculated in the same way, like directly if I am going to say now 183 minus 53. So another parameter which is the additional parameter over here, that is 183 minus 14. So don't forget to calculate this value also, that 183 minus 14 plus 41 minus 14. We are not going to do like this 14 minus 41 because we are never going to have the value in the negative. So 41 minus 14. So after doing the calculation part, the total head movements you are going to get is 326. So this is all about the working of the C look. So I hope you got the concept of C look. Thank you so much.